Rolls-Royce makes some of the world's most expensive cars, but they are not cheap. These are a few of their most popular models, and these are their base level prices. Almost everything is built by hand, but that means that the customer has virtually unlimited access to customize everything, and this means the real cost has no ceiling. Rolls-Royce don't even know it themselves. So let's find out what makes Rolls-Royce so expensive, and it all starts with the original owner. Well, one of them. Henry Royce was a poor boy in England who sold newspapers just to eat. In 1904, Henry Royce became obsessed with improving cars. Then, Henry met Charles Rolls, a wealthy car dealer who knew how to sell to rich clients. Now you see the picture coming together. Together, they created Rolls-Royce, and their cars quickly became symbols of quality and prestige. But rich customers didn't just want transport. They want something no one else had. So, Rolls-Royce started using rare hardwoods such as walnut, burr walnut, mahogany, rosewood, full-grain leather, polished metals. That principle still is used in the company today. One major reason Rolls-Royce is expensive is the amount of customization built into the production process. If you want to spec a Rolls, you can choose from over 44,000 colors or just tell them a unique paint formula for your own car.
We replicate people's lipsticks. Something from your house, something your own, something you've seen. Even we've done the dog of an owner, a red setter. So we exactly replicate them, whether it be by the DNA, the chemistry, or whatever.
But craftsmanship alone doesn't explain the price. Production does too. Rolls-Royce builds only a few thousand cars per year. Compare that to brands making many versions, the few that Rolls-Royce make a year keep demand extremely high. Another cost that increases the price is Mark Court. He is the only man who has historically painted the signature hand-applied coach lines on almost every Rolls-Royce. He is so important that Rolls-Royce will fly him out anywhere just to paint the stripes on their cars.
As normal with Rolls-Royce, Rolls-Royce never comes back to us, we go to it. So if it's in Dubai, so be it.
But handcrafted paint and rare materials still don't explain why some customers spend millions. And for that, we have to talk about design. Now, before you know what specs any car has, your brain has already formed a judgment from the shape, proportions, and the look of the car. It's actually what designers exploit to make you feel something when you look at them. And if we look around, we can start seeing how design makes a big impact. Take the Porsche 911 as an example. It often makes you think, wow, damn, that looks nice. That's because the 911 looks like one smooth, continuous form. The roof curves into the back without harsh lines or sudden breaks. Our brains tend to like smooth shapes because they feel natural and pleasing to look at. A Porsche has very few sharp cuts or harsh edges, which gives it a calm and balanced look. It feels strong, but not threatening. However, if we compare this to a Lambo, we can see how they were designed with a very different goal. Your brain reacts to angles differently than curves. Sharp shapes can feel dangerous because they remind us of things like knives, teeth, or horns. Since Lamborghini wants to project power, it uses triangles, Y-shapes, vents, and sharp lines to make the car look aggressive. They have a low front end and a rear that rises upward, which creates a forward-leaning shape. It makes the car look like a predator ready to attack. Okay, so how do Rolls-Royce use this method to make their cars feel expensive? One big factor is weight. The wide bonnet, long wheelbase, front grille, Rolls-Royce deliberately preserved those proportions in the modern cars because they give a sense of authority. Then add on the coach doors, which make getting out of the car into a ceremony, and then the spirit of ecstasy, which has been positioned like this so that it matches with the gliding motion the car has. You see, there's a real idea in psychology called processing fluency. We tend to respond positively to things that are easy for the brain to process. Smooth lines, smooth motion, smooth transitions. The gliding stance Rolls-Royce has fits that. The interior also contributes heavily to the price because many features can be individually commissioned. The Starlight headliner, for example, is built by manually installing fiber optic strands into the roof lining, and the design can also be customized. But gorgeous design and smart sales tactics are not enough without the final ingredient. The main reason why Rolls-Royce is so expensive is because it sells access. They use private offices in all the major cities across the world, where clients sit with designers, explore materials, and shape one-of-one commissions. Because of this, some of the most crazy and expensive cars have been created. Here are some of them. The Rose Phantom. Its interior embroidery used 1 million individual stitches. It included hand-stitched roses, butterflies. Rolls-Royce had zero room for error. If alignment was off by even a millimeter, the leather was scrapped and they had to start again. Another crazy commission was the diamond-infused paint. One customer literally gave Rolls-Royce a bag of diamonds, told them to crush it and infuse it into the paint, all because he wanted the car to sparkle differently. If you hit that car, good luck to your future generations paying that debt off. The Swept Tail. One-off commission, this custom car took 4 years to make, and at the time, it cost around $13 million. It was designed around the client's interests: yachts, vintage aircraft, custom luggage, champagne storage. And the reason these cars were requested like this is because once customers begin commissioning unique materials, artwork, or one-off features, the vehicle often moves far beyond the original starting price.
There isn't really a specific base price which we would just discuss, because it really depends on each customer as an individual and the bespoke options which they like to design and develop with our bespoke team.
Rolls-Royce reinforces that exclusivity with limited runs like 25 car private collections, so when a buyer chooses a Rolls-Royce, they are stepping into a rich people members club. And that is the main reason why they will keep buying these cars. Because if you can pay $500,000 for a car and access a space to make 100 times more, why wouldn't you? Now, even though Rolls-Royce are expensive, nothing is as expensive as destroying your own legacy forever. Click here to watch.